Many of us wonder, what is the secret to a successful and long-lasting relationship? Nowadays, stories about couples who spend their entire lives together seem like old fairy tales to us. With so many dating apps emerging and a shift in our understanding of what makes a traditional relationship, the word long-term may seem strange to the majority of people. Developing a loving and long-lasting relationship is certainly not simple. Most individuals marry with the expectation of sharing their lives together, yet almost half of those marriages are expected to terminate in divorce. Furthermore, stable marriages are not always happy. People stay stuck in unhappy relationships for a number of reasons, like finances, children, or religion. The question is not just one of stability, but also of quality. How can two people establish and sustain a mutually satisfying relationship? Keep on watching to discover the keys to a happy and healthy love story, and how you could be able to achieve that relationship satisfaction with your partner. 1. Communication. Your relationship will have to suffer if you are unable to speak with your lover in an honest and open manner. Tell your spouse what you need, desire, are bothered by, are feeling, and ask them to do the same for you. However, this does not imply that you should speak everything that comes to your mind. Instead, show respect and kindness. You shouldn't wait to let your partner know how much it annoys you when he leaves toothpaste in the sink, for example. Inform him when you need to, but do it in a respectful and assertive way. As a couple, having open lines of communication may help you get through difficult times, and keep smaller concerns from becoming bigger ones. 2. Compromise. Relationships are about giving as well as receiving. You may be in an unequal relationship if you find yourself not giving much or feeling resentful of how much you give and how little you receive back. For example, some can make the mistake of thinking that love will help them cope with any problem that arises, and that if the other person genuinely loved them, he would automatically comply with their requests. However, people are independent, each having particular wants and personalities. We shouldn't give up our individuality just because we have discovered someone with whom we want to spend the rest of our lives. Both parties involved in a good relationship must adapt to the preferences of the other. Additionally, pick your conflicts wisely. Don't get into a big fight about something pointless and eventually irrelevant. 3. Gratitude. It's normal to look to your lover for validation since everyone has a fundamental desire to feel valued and worthy. There are many couples who feel they shouldn't have to express thanks to their partner, but there is never enough appreciation, especially for those who are closest to us. It is important not to take your partner for granted. Find methods to express your appreciation in ways that will resonate with their love language. There are 5 love languages through which we feel and express love: physical touch, words of affirmation, gifts, quality time, and acts of service. For instance, someone who shows love through words of affirmation may feel appreciated with just, "Thank you for cooking tonight, I really appreciate that, and it tastes delicious." Start with tiny acts of appreciation to make your partner feel loved. 4. Mutual trust. It's important to know if your partner is committed to your relationship in the long run. Trust is an essential part of every relationship because there is no use in moving on with anything else until you've proven that you're both dedicated to make it work. If you doubt that your partner wants to be in the relationship, you can't expect to make any progress. Make an effort to communicate and show your partner that you love them and respect your connection, rather than assuming they are aware of your feelings. 5. Keeping it sexy. If you and your lover made a commitment to boosting the behaviors you both find sexy and reducing the ones you don't, things may get better. For instance, the term sexy may not only be used to describe preferences in the bedroom, but also to describe what excites us about our partner in daily life. If they assist with cleaning the house, you could find that sexy, but if they use the toilet with the door open, Wouldn't you find it unsexy? Discuss the specifics of keeping it hot in your relationship, while keeping an amused and motivated attitude. 6. Creating space. Give yourself and your lover some room to be independent. Giving your partner time to do something they like on their own is just as vital as spending quality time together. In every relationship, you need to keep a positive sense of self. Consider your own abandoned interests and become involved in activities that let your passions and special talents shine. 7. Spending quality time together. Avoid letting your relationship turn into a series of grocery runs and boring housework. Establish regular dates and times to enjoy each other's company and share memorable experiences, such as romantic dinners, trips to new cities, and relaxing spa days. Because it nurtures both the emotional and physical connection, while also creating positive memories, quality time is crucial to a relationship. Just like a really good talk with someone you cherish, strong relationships may be engaging, ever-changing and even surprising. You have to accept your significant other's perspective even if you disagree with it, in order to carry on the conversation, because you want to hear what they have to say next. You also need to concentrate on holding up your half of the bargain, just as in a successful discussion. Just as you would nurture everything you love in life, the connection also needs ongoing care and attention. It takes work and dedication to have a happy, healthy relationship, as well as a shared desire to want to be with your partner. Love demands commitment and a positive outlook. It is not only a question of chance. There are numerous tricks to keeping a relationship strong, but if you implement these strategies and talk to your lover about them, you can build a solid foundation for the future. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends, so we can make more. Thanks for watching.